Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to English vocabulary lessons. There comes many moments when we feel a need to interrupt a conversation, but we don't want to sound rude or impolite. Well, there are many polite ways to interrupt a conversation without being harsh or discourteous. In this lesson, we are going to look at some polite phrases you can use in different situations to interrupt a conversation. So let's begin. Interrupt to ask a question. Suppose you are in a classroom or in a meeting and there comes a question in your mind. You can ask that politely by saying, "Sorry for the interruption, but I have a question." Or, "Sorry for the interruption, but I need to ask something." Or you can say, "I'm so sorry, this will just take a minute." And then you can put your question. Or you can say, "Can I stop you there for a moment?" And if you are granted the permission, then you can ask your question there. Interrupt to join the conversation. Suppose there is a conversation going on regarding a very important issue and you have some very relevant information to add there, then you can join the conversation by saying, "Can I say something? I would like to add something here. May I join you? Let me add something here. Would you mind if I join the conversation? May I interject?" Okay? Interrupt for more clarification. If you find yourself in a situation where a point is being explained and you need more clarification on it, then use these phrases to interrupt and ask for the clarification. For example, "Could you please explain that point? Could you clarify that a bit more? Would you mind explaining that again? Can you please repeat that?" Okay? Interrupt to ask time. If someone is speaking too fast and you need some time to keep up with him to grasp that information being delivered, then you can say these phrases to ask for more time. For example, "Wait a minute please. Hold on please. Can we just pause here for a few seconds? Let me write down these points before we move on. Can you please slow down?" Okay, I hope you like this lesson. These are some example phrases you can use in different situations, so you will sound very confident and polite as well. I hope you like this lesson. Please subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.